word. I could have been happy. I could have had a family. But no! She didn't give a shit about how I felt. I did everything I could to make her happy. It just wasn't enough. I just wasn't good enough for her! Little fucking brat! It's all her fault! Respect!
He's coming. He's gonna hurt me. Run! Get away, or he's gonna break you like last time.
I'll talk to him.
Kara!
Todd, please calm down. She's just a little girl.
She's mine here. I do what I want with her. So you stay out of this or I'll rip you to shreds! Come on! Come here, you little brat!
No, Daddy, no! Don't hurt me! Please don't stop!
For your own
Please
good, Alice.
stop, Daddy!
For your own good.
That's enough! Leave her alone.
What the fuck are you doing? Get out of here. That's an order. You hear me?
No! I want you to leave Alice alone.
You want? What do you mean you want? You don't want anything. You're just a goddamn piece of plastic. I think you got a problem. We need to fix that.
Watch out, Kara!
Come here, bitch.
Stop, Dad! Don't hurt her! Leave her alone!
You do as I say. Bitches, come here. You ain't going nowhere. You're mine.
Craig, he's coming!
Come back here!